Mabuhay, magandang buhay, mabuting tao, magandang buhay. Good person, good life. Sharing you a day on Tuesday. It's a rainy day today, April 30, 2024. I am your blogger, teacher Bing, Arina Bing, Basilio Rindon, live and alive, sharing you this video message. It keeps raining the whole day. So, see, the rain has come. That's it. We are going out to have our Kinsin Philippines therapy there in Ma'am Daisy Esparagosa. Anong Esparagosa? Kinsin machine. So, every day I'm there for my wellness and super beauty effect every day. So, just sharing you my day-to-day in the neighborhood community wherein I am featuring the super rain of blessings that has come, answered prayer by God. Not only to the community of Lang, but anywhere in Mindanao or probably in the whole Philippines. So let's continue our walk, going out to this community neighborhood. Let's pass our neighbors amazing mansion house. Okay, that's it. Wow, this is my dream house. The house of my batchmate, my friend. Amazing. Okay, so let's go back. Let's go back here. We cannot make it. Okay, look at the street. It's flooded with water, rainwater. I think I cannot walk on this side, so I have to change my route. Okay, it's detour. But meantime, look at the raindrops of water. Rain of blessings. Really amazing. Nothing is impossible. Okay, let's go back. Let's detour. Let's do this one. Let's go to the other way. Okay, we are here now, the other side of the roadway. When plan A cannot be, so let's do the plan. When plan A cannot be, we cannot make it, so let's do the plan B or C in our life. Featuring also in our community, this is now the Purok or the neighborhood Purok 2 of Sangat volleyball area. Usually in night time up to 10 or 11 o'clock, or starting in the afternoon up to evening, most of the young people in our community or in our Purok, the young ones, they are here playing volleyball provided by our community leaders. We have the volleyball net. This is it. Serves as their area of volleyball games. Let's move on. Okay, sharing you the mansion, the great house, my dream house of my neighbors. Only my house is small, not presentable, but I'm thankful to God that I'm alive, alert, continue to be living my priceless gift of life. Okay. It's suffer blessings, rain of blessings. It's not only raindrops, but blessings has come to the community, good people of Lang. It looks like I'm living in a subdivision somewhere in a big city in Davao City. See, my kapitbahay, they are so very rich. But it's okay for me. As long as I have my priceless gift of life. I'm happy na in counting my blessings. Not counting anymore what I don't have. Ouch, I almost got a slide here. Let's continue walking. It's quite cold in the afternoon, 3:30 and almost 4 o'clock. But I love to walk in the rain. Walking in the rain is so exciting, so enjoyable. It gives me joy, it gives me happiness. Okay, here's another mansion of my neighbors. Really my dream house. But for me, it seems impossible. But still hoping because nothing is impossible in God. Amen. On my left is also a mansion. Beautiful, amazing house. For your eyes only. For my eyes only. That will never, never be mine. Okay, that's me, rain or shine. I have to go to my Kinsin wellness episodes every day for long life, power, and authority. Okay, just a minute. Let's have our pants up because it might be caught by water. Okay, slowly. Ouch, 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 ouch. Okay, my feet already quit at this time, but it will not hinder me from walking, rain or shine. It's a Kinsin Wellness Day for me. So I changed my route, but it seems this roadway I am traversing is more filled with water. Anyway, water is always a blessing. Blessings for me. And this is now the side. We'll be waiting for tricycle. Okay, let's try. Taxi call! Hey, taxi call! There, GP Laurel. Okay, it's okay. So, the taxi, I used to address the tricycle in Lang as taxi. So that the driver will, taxi! Tricycle! Oh my gosh. My goodness. Oh. No one will give me a ride. Oh, Father, help me, God. Hey! Okay, another tricycle. Taxi. What's this? What's happening? Ouch! I'm going to Kinsin. Esparagosa. You will not give me a ride? Okay. Okay na lang. Oh, that's Bill Magleo, my beautiful, amazing kapitbahay. Perhaps going already to her everyday duty. Going to her customer to get payment from her soke in the market. Okay, let's just wait here. So this is the Guhoy Street, but actually in our part there, our neighborhood is already Purok Tusangan. But I used to tell the tricycle or the taxicle Daguhoy. So I will be bring there in my destination. Let's try this one. Para taxi JP Laurel kina Ma'am Esparagosa, ano nung Esparagosa. Just there, oh. Okay, so this is it. I got a ride now. Thank you. Slowly, because I'm retiring. We need to be careful. Okay, thank you for picking me up. Why are you continuing the rain? It's raining. So thank you also for picking me up now. I'm now riding in a tricycle. May I know the name of my pilot? What's my pilot name? Okay, very good. That's my pilot, very shy. So I'm going now to Ma'am Daisy Esparagosa Kinsin machine for my 4 o'clock wellness. Okay, another passenger. Come now. Hey. Okay, so mauna siya. GP me. Okay, so another passenger on my taxi ride. It is still my taxi call ride. From Daguhoy, that's Paterno, and now we are transversing Wainwright, but I think there is a new name already, Wainwright. If I'm not mistaken, this is already Sorilla Street, but I might be wrong. Oh, it's okay. Kinsin. Oh, just there, oh.
Okay.
FCK, in front of FCK. Oh, thank you, madam. So, we're about, okay, we're about to reach Ma'am Esparagosa and Nunong Esparagosa. Kinsin branch in Lang Cotabato wellness machine. Okay, so this is, I think, what street is this? Bonifacio Street. Napag-glimpse of Bonifacio Street in Lang Cotabato. So the next is JP Laurel Street. Okay, we'll be passing the terminal, Lang integrated terminal. Yeah, this is the integrated Lang terminal. Okay, beautiful, amazing new terminal in Lang Cotabato with yellow bus, van, jeep, and all public transport. So we are already nearing, approaching Ma'am Esparagosa's Kinsin machine. We're almost there. We are almost there. So this is it. Just a moment. I have to get my fare. Slowly only. It's inside. Okay. Oh my gosh, where's my money? You help me? Oh. Okay, so finally, my arrival. Okay, thank you for the safe travel.